Push-ups are a simple and effective exercise that can do wonders for your body. In this video, we will explore the benefits of doing 50 push-ups every day and how it can improve your physical and mental health. One of the most significant benefits of doing 50 push-ups every day is weight loss. Push-ups are a compound exercise that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the chest, arms, shoulders, and core. By engaging all these muscles, push-ups burn a considerable number of calories, helping you shed extra pounds. But before we continue, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and support us for more valuable content. So let's get started. Additionally, push-ups can help tone and strengthen your upper body. As you continue to do 50 push-ups every day, you will notice increased endurance and strength in your chest and arms, making it easier to perform everyday tasks and even lift heavy objects. Apart from toning your upper body, push-ups can also work wonders for your abs. During push-ups, your stomach is constantly in a taut position, leading to stronger and tighter abs. Push-ups are also great for increasing muscle mass and toning your body. With regular push-up sessions, you will not only pump your back, abs, shoulders, and chest but also see an increase in muscle mass. If you are an athlete or just someone who loves sports, doing 50 push-ups every day can significantly improve your performance. Athletes who work with their hands, such as swimmers and weightlifters, will benefit from the increased upper body strength and endurance that comes with doing push-ups. Moreover, push-ups can boost your metabolism, leading to weight loss and overall better health. During push-ups, several muscle groups work simultaneously, leading to an increase in heart rate and breathing. This increase in metabolic rate helps burn more calories and prevent many diseases. Push-ups can also have a positive impact on your mental health. After a session of push-ups, you will feel energized and invigorated, leading to an improved mood. Additionally, the increased blood circulation and heat accumulation during push-ups can improve brain function and efficiency. Finally, push-ups can help with posture and spine health. Many people who lead a sedentary lifestyle develop back pain and poor posture. By doing 50 push-ups every day, you can straighten and stabilize your spine, leading to better posture and a healthier back. Doing 50 push-ups every day can have numerous benefits for your body and mind. It's a simple and effective exercise that you can do for free and without much difficulty.